what's going on? How you guys doing today? Doing something a little bit different, and it's freezing here. What's the temperature? It's cold, huh? It was like in the 50s.
Water temp is 69.
The water temperature is 69, you said?
I don't know what the temp is outside, but does
cold.
this thing have temp? No. Today we're doing a dock-and-dine. Today we are shouting out some folks.
We're gonna do some shout outs here.
Yeah, we hope all of our YouTube friends are having a great day. We wanted to say hello to a couple people.
We got a couple people. Yeah.
We were saying hello to Anthony in Grand Cayman.
Yep, he works at Foster's. So.
Anthony works at Foster's. Anthony is a follower.
Yeah, one of our followers.
He watches. He's a subby, hopefully. And we go to Grand Cayman. We try to go every year. Our trip got canceled this year, but we're going to try to go see Anthony at Foster's next time we're in Cayman.
So thank you, Anthony, for commenting, and we appreciate you giving you that shout out. We got another shout out here. This is why we're doing the video. This particular one, this is Winston Abduli, if I'm pronouncing that right.
That's his handle, Winston
Abduli 8701.
All right.
They are excited about the possibility of us making an Armature Works run. But guess what? That is what we are doing today.
Yeah.
When we left from the Williams Park boat ramp, and we're showing you guys how it's done safely. So what we did is we put in at Williams. Williams has a nice little staging area there on the right-hand side. So that's where we went ahead and loaded up the boat. You don't want to do any of this stuff at the ramp. Do it in the staging area. We load up the boat with the cooler. Most of the time we have the cooler and stuff on the boat already, but loaded it up. We did our safety checks. We went in ahead and we unhooked the safety chain there, over the bow to hold on the boat. We did that. We got our straps in the rear. Went ahead and removed those. And then I just double checked to make sure we have our boat plug. So what we did was we went ahead and Kim was on the boat and we just set it down the middle. Now, when we first started boating, what we'd do is we'd back the boat, we'd have our fenders out, we'd tie it up to the dock, and then
I'd pull it off the trailer is
correct.
What we'd do.
Oh, yeah.
I'd have the lines on. We had to figure out, Jason would say, I'm going to be on the port or the starboard, set all the fenders up, the lines up.
Yep.
And then once he got the trailer into the water, I'd pull it off. And then we graduated to a more, level 2.
Level 2, I like level 2, and that's when we just send it. So normally we'll just send it up the middle.
Go up the middle, yep. And then I just drive it on off. So, that's a pretty steep ramp. I just kind of floated right off.
It is steep there too.
Sometimes he's got to pop.
So we'll pop it off. That ramp at Williams is steeper than some of the other ramps.
Yeah, it's steep. So if you have a request or you want a shout out, leave us a comment.
All right, there we go. We got all docked up here. We're on the end and there's no cleat hitches. So we tied it around to the pole. A little bit of a current, you'd say. Mm-hmm. A little current in there, so we got it worked out. But plenty of spots. There's even some room up in here in case these are all filled up.
It's a nice little
dual console.
Dual console. He's got an outboard. He's got a platform there on the back.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice. Some chairs here. Yeah, so you got some more spots over here, some more slips.
It's a couple. And then I think right over there is that boat club or?
Yeah, so over here is that boat club. This is where you can't dock. You used to be able to. I just don't like that they do that now. So we had our drinks. She's got, what did you get, the frosé thing?
That's a frosé with a chambord. Chambord floater.
All right.
Nom, nom, nom.
It sounds expensive. I got the old fashioned. What you got? Cakes?
These are fried green tomatoes.
Fried green tomato, and then I'm doing you gotta do the stone claw. Doing the stone crab claw, so we're gonna get that. That looks good.
You got oil here?
Oil? No, it's we got butter and there's like a mustard, and then all right, so we're gonna get that. So that's what we're doing right now.
That's what we're doing.
That's what we're doing right now.
Oh, this looks delicious.
Oh, it looks really good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna eat this, and we'll give you our review on this. And you know this up here. We're at Ukulele. Oh yeah, look at that meat right there. Get that meat. Let's pull this boy out. Like that. So we got some of that meat right there. I'm gonna hit that mustard sauce first. That's the typical. That's good. That was good. So we just finished up those appetizers. What do you think?
It's delicious.
That was really good. Yeah,
I got no complaints.
No complaints. You ate all yours.
Yes, thank you for pointing that out.
Yeah. There we go. This is really good. This is like a tomato-based sauce or something. I don't know what this is, but this is the calamari. But these little rings here, these are delicious. There's an update. What do you think? Let me see. I gotta test that fry.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Is there anything else we can bring for you?
All good.
Awesome. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me use this all right.
It's all right.
All right, so we're gonna finish up.
That's a good calamari.
That's good. That is really good calamari.
It's tender.
It's very tender. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna eat this up. Talk to you guys in a bit. So we've just been walking around here. We went over to the dog park. We were talking with Snoop Dogg. There was a beagle over there. Spent some time with him. So we got this big open area here. We got some live music. So really, this is a great destination. There's a lot of stuff going on here. It's not just come here and eat. It's just a lot of families come up here. We'll walk up there. Yeah. It's just really a nice place to come and kind of chill for the day. We finished up having our lunch there at Ukulele. Delicioso. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head on back to Armature Works. We're going to bring you through there as well because Armature Works, they have a whole bunch of restaurants in there. We are back at the boat. So we just finished up. We were down there at Armature Works, Ukulele. We went through there. We toured that, the dog park. We were there with Snoop Doggy Dog, Snoop Dog, a beagle.
Lemon Beagle.
Yeah,
lemon Beagle. He's a brand new guy.
Brand new guy.
In his prime.
Yeah.
It's fun.
So we're now back here. We're just kind of like chilling on the boat. we've got our cups here. We were talking about these cups. So it's wet. You can get your, you say, hey, I just want my drink to go. Put it in this cup, walk around.
Put it to go.
Yeah. Appetizers were great. The drinks were great.
Yeah.
And then as far as food, what did you get? You got the sandwich, right?
Yeah, I got, it was a prime rib sandwich.
Yeah.
It was fine.
Okay.
It wasn't great. Yours is way better.
Would you order that again? That's the question.
No, I think so my usual go-to at that restaurant is the portobello mushroom.
Yeah.
It's a big grilled portobello, like a steak, and that's my go-to. This particular sandwich, I ordered it without the aioli. I don't like mayonnaise, but there was no cheese on it, and there was no dip, so it was just kind of dry.
Yeah,
it was dry. But it's still a great restaurant.
Great restaurant. You would not order that again.
No.
Yeah, for me, I mixed it up. I went with something. I normally get the filet when I'm there. I've gotten the grouper. I've gotten the pompano.
Yeah.
All their stuff is good. This time, since we had the stone claw, the stone crab claws, I do. The stone crab claws are good. Those are really good. Not my favorite crab though, because the work that's involved. I would definitely order the stone crab claws again when they are in season. I went with the calamari. The calamari.
Oh, that was delicious.
That was delicious.
It's very tender.
That was very tender. Yeah, it's not like dried up.
No, and it's not just like a bunch of breading.
No, that was really good.
Legit calamari.
We did 8.3 was our review for circles.
Okay.
8.3.
So this is a floating dock. We've been here a few times and never had traffic problems.
Nope.
There was always somewhere for us to park. And we're in a river, so there's not a lot of chop or current. So I'm going to give it a 9. A 9.
This is definitely a 9 for sure. This is a lot better. Love that floating dock. We don't have to jump out on the stuff. We did not have, if you look here, we did not have cleats on our side.
I think that's from the storm. I like this dockage.
9, yeah.
It's newer and there's plenty of it. So.
It makes it easy. Yeah. So now let's just kind of talk about, the food and service. We were at Eulalie.
Oh, well, we've always loved Eulalie.
Yeah.
We've been coming here since before we had a boat. So we'd come by land. And now we come by sea, and it's a great restaurant. The food, the service, the drinks. I'm gonna say 9.2.
9.2. I like that score. So I would say really, if you got some family in town, you guys want something to do.
Here. Yeah, we've taken people here. Yeah.
Come here. This is where you want to go. Yeah. You got family in town, visit for the holidays.
Because you don't need a resi. No. You can't get into Burns. Burns is a great place, but you can't get in there.
You got something for everyone here.
Yeah.
So what you're saying, 9.2 was that?
Yeah, I said 9.2.
9.2. Is that the final?
That's my final score.
All right, so we're gonna go 9.2. That's the final. 9.2.
It's the final review.
All right.
One bite. Everyone knows the rules.
Everyone.